Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. It's under the name Thompson.
Let me check. Yes, I see it. A table for two. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here are your menus. May I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have still water, please.
Still water. I'm sorry, do you mean water without gas?
Yes, water without bubbles.
Of course. And for you?
I'll have sparkling water.
Very well. I'll be right back. Here's your water. Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?
We need a little more time, please.
No problem at all. Have you decided?
Yes, we'd like to start with the soup of the day and the grilled prawns.
Would you like the soup as an appetizer or a main course?
As an appetizer, please.
Very good. And for your main course?
I'll have the ribeye steak, medium rare, with the sauce on the side.
I'm sorry, could you explain medium rare?
Sure. I mean, the steak should be cooked lightly, warm in the center, not fully cooked.
Ah, thank you for explaining. And on the side means the sauce served separately, correct?
Yes, exactly.
Understood. Any allergies or dietary restrictions I should be aware of?
Yes, I'm lactose intolerant.
Thank you for letting me know. Would you like the pasta without cheese?
Yes, please. No cheese or cream.
I'll inform the kitchen. How is everything so far?
The food is delicious, thank you, but the steak is slightly overcooked.
I apologize for that. Would you like me to have it replaced?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Of course. I'll take care of it immediately. May I tempt you with dessert?
What do you recommend?
Our chocolate mousse is very popular, and the fruit tart is lighter. I'll have the fruit tart. Excellent choice. And would you like coffee or tea?
Coffee, please. No sugar.
Would you like the bill now, or shall I give you a few more minutes?
We're ready for the bill.
Here you are. Take your time.
Can we split the bill, please?
Certainly. I'll bring separate bills. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Yes, we did. Thank you for your excellent service.
It was my pleasure. Have a lovely evening. Let's review the vocabulary from this conversation. Reservation. Booking. Still or sparkling water. Appetizer. Starter. Main course. Dietary restrictions. Lactose intolerant. Overcooked. Replace the dish. Recommend. Split the bill.